What up, y'all? It's your boy Brian back again with another sneaker video. Today, we're going to be looking at the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Ash Blue. And here we have it, fresh out of the box. These, and it's been a while since I like a pair of the Yeezys, the colorway. This ash blue right here, I actually really dig them. If it was the other way around, if it was too much yellow, I would absolutely hate them. But this blue, kind of just different shades of blue and gray, really got my attention. And I do think these are pretty nice. But there are so many of these out there already. There's so many colorways, and they just continue to come out. And I just feel like if you miss out on these ones, there's always another pair coming out eventually, right? So let's take a look at it. Starting from the bottom at the outsole, we have the classic Boost on the bottom with a translucent blue outsole, going to the midsole with the same color, same material, just like all the other Yeezys. Really, there's no change here. And the upper, as usual, the knitted material with different shades of blue with this one, a little bit of gray hits here and there with the yellow stripe across the outside. And the lacing system, they have the regular shoelace, not the infinity lace system. Some people like them, some people don't. I don't care either way, it works for me. But yeah, like overall, there's not a whole lot to talk about here. And as usual, I find these very comfortable. They are just, I haven't found another pair, even though I tried the other Yeezys, the 380, the 700, like I think the 350 are the most comfortable for me. Like walking, it's kind of just walking on cloud. But yeah, like I said, there's so many colorways coming out all the time. These ones basically, I don't think any Yeezys have much of a resale value nowadays, except for like the OG colorways. And I think these ones are probably the same. I'm pretty sure you can buy them just maybe a little bit above retail. Yeah, I quite like these ones. You can wear with whatever you want, really. Shorts, jeans, joggers. I think they're pretty versatile. Good walking shoes, to be honest. If you walk a lot, these would be the ones to go. I think they are truly comfortable shoes. It has a pretty, if you're gonna buy a pair of walking shoes, I'm guessing there are, well, I know there are a lot of other options out there that are way cheaper than $300. So it is what it is. If you like it, if you think it's comfortable, if you think it's worth it, then they're worth it. If not, then there's always other options. But yeah, quick review on these 350 V2s Ash Blue. Let me know what you think about these ones. What are your thoughts on the Yeezys nowadays? Yeezy seems to like kind of lost of a lot of steam. Like for a while, it was kind of like all the rage, and now it's just kind of like, it's not like as hard to get. It's still like it sells. The 350 still sells out pretty quickly, but yeah, let me know what you think. As usual, I got more content coming up, more shoe reviews. So if you're into this type of content, stay tuned, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.